Alright, so in this video I'm going to unbox my cylinder works kit for 2011 KTM 250SXF. In addition, I'm going to weigh the piston and the cylinder together and the wrist pin just to see what it weighs. And then when I can pull the 250 piston cylinder from this bike, I am going to weigh them together just to see what the difference in weight is. I'm really curious just to see if they've managed to lighten it or how much heavier it actually is. It's more curiosity than anything else. Alright, so before I open it, you can see that the kit includes supposedly hand-matched cylinder and piston, top-end gasket set, piston ring, circlips, and wrist pin. And it's for KTM, and actually displacement's 276 cubic centimeters. Alrighty, so let me get into it and open it. Alright, so let's see. Let's open this. Hopefully this is all getting there, clear. Alright, so we have gaskets, looks like cylinder, head, exhaust. I'm not sure what the copper O-ring's for yet, because after just changing the exhaust, that doesn't look like it goes anywhere. But maybe it does, and I'll find it. Alright, so cylinder. Seems to be a good finish, and I don't know if you can see. Hopefully I got the camera right, but they did cross hatch it. Be interesting. I'd like to see the thickness of the KTM OEM as well, right through here. All right, I'm going to set that there. All right, so we got the piston. Oh, so let's see. What? Rings. I wonder where those were at. All right, so I'm not really going to open these yet since I'm not ready to install. I don't want to take a chance I'm getting damaged, dropped, cracked, stepped on, whatever. I'm going to put these back. Wrist pin, I'm expecting it's probably in the bottom. Oh yeah. So new wrist pin and circlip. Man, this is tiny. I'm not used to seeing pistons this size. Nice little wrap to protect the piston. I like the way it springs back, so I can put it back once I'm done. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. Hopefully it's more stop video now. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm going to put the camera in my hand where we can get better close-up pictures of what's on here. Okay, so I apologize if the video gets jumpy, because I'm holding the camera in my hand, but I'm going to actually try and show you what this weighs and the what's written on the piston and some of the qualities on it. So sorry about the glare. I'm going to try to take that out. Anyway, I'm at 0. Let's see, what does this weigh? Looks like 661 grams. Alright, so I'm going to add the wrist pin and circlips, and yes, it'll be a little bit heavier because I do have the plastics. I'm not going to take it out. That's at 706. Now I'm going to add the piston. Be careful, don't want to scratch it. Alright, so there's everything I'll be adding. And I'm at 874 grams. If I get to it, I'll take the plastic. Oh, and I don't have rings on there. So we'll do it, back up a little. 660 for just the cylinder. And I'm going to do just the piston. Just the piston's 170. Show you the ring lands. It looks like that looks like a single ring piston with an oil ring. I have to count, and my eyes aren't the best, but anyway, that's what it looks like to me. Single ring and an oil ring, and it's coated. That was a nice surprise. I didn't expect coating on the side. Yeah, right. And this is the bike that it's going in. 2011. Some things I just can't leave alone. Spending more money than I should on this bike, but anyway, that's it for the video.